Guys, bengicela ukuthi nikhuze ninganzakini ezihlolwa emhlangeni because uSiyacela is looking for a second wife and he wants a second wife which is a virgin ehlolwa emhlangeni because unesiqiniseko ukuthi vele it's a virgin because uyahlola. USiyacela saying if uthi uSiyacela in fact ngidlulisa umyalezo ukuthi if you are watching the show of Isincane Lengane and ulitshitshi and uhlola emhlangeni, he says please reach out to him or he will reach out to you and he usezozikhethela ke yena. Imagine you guys, so this last episode of Isincane Lengane, you guys, this episode, to be quite honest, it was so useless. It was so useless because nenkulumo yakhona, like, I don't know what to say, you guys, but in a nutshell, uSiyacela uthi phela ukuthi yena sekhathele ukudla ikhekhe elilodwa. He basically wants variety. He wants variety, and he is saying him and his brother Ungubani, basically they're saying they want to take second wives because it's like Igbo, it's big, it needs cleaning. Like even the reasonings that they are giving guys of why they want to take second wives is not make sure. Mind you, both Ungubani and uSiyacela, they never ever loboled their own wives. Their father, Ubabu Dlamuka, is the one who took out ilobola on behalf of them for the wives that they currently have. So angazi ukuthi maybe sithi they want to take second wives because both of them say that they want virgins. So angazi ukuthi when they saying they want to take virgins as second wives, ukuthi bazobalobola ngani because abasebenzi the two of them. Secondly, I feel like one of my fears, you guys, is that uSiyacela, let's just speak about uSiyacela, even his brother though. My fear is that they will really get the virgins that they're talking about. They'll get virgins who are just happy to be married or happy to be involved with the guy over TV or whatever the case may be. But the sad thing is that there's some women who are willing to put themselves in such a situation. So anyway, uSiyacela noNgubani then bachazela umamncane indaba yokuthi they want to take second wives ayinqabe vele umamncane. Then they decide to take lendaba of taking second wives kubaba uPhakathi. Ubaba uPhakathi calls ke uThando and he calls the wife kaNgubani and sits them down and tells them, listen Phela, you guys' husband says they want to take second wives. Vele we all know ukuthi uThando wears her stance on taking a second wife, but surprisingly enough uThando ugcine evumile ukuthi uyasivuma isithembu, but on the basis that uSiyacela needs to build her a house first. And then umfazi kaNgubani says basically, I will only agree to you taking isithembu the moment you lobola me all over again, then ngizobona ukuthi vele unawo amandla to take isithembu. So anyway, the gentleman uSiyacela and uNgubani, they ended up accepting that. Hey guys, and then uThando ngalana uthi the reason why she did not want isithembu is because afuna ukugula izifo yena, because she knows ukuthi these men maybe isithembu, they don't use protection with their wives. She would rather ukuthi agule on the basis of uSiyacela cheated. And I'm just like, cheated with a woman outside than umnawabo basically. But I'm just like, does that make sense, Thando? Please try and reason that out. Because guys, Vanel, do you really think that uSiyacela, the fact that he was asking for a paternity test from Uthando number 2 means that he's not using protection? And chances are there might be other cases where he's not using protection. So even if he's probably not using protection outside while cheating. Even if he gets a second wife, he's probably going to do the same. So guys, fanele. So you can't want to ngaba isithembu on that basis. You guys, honestly, I don't know if you can tell from the tone of my voice, which this episode in borile because like nothing that was said here made like nothing that was said in this episode like has sense or has wisdom or anything like that. Like abantu bayadlamuka shame the men bayazifanele. I don't even want to lie. The way they reason, the way they think. Hey, and guys, anyway, tell me what you guys think about this. Please, guys, please, if you have younger sisters who are virgins, younger sisters in jail, please speak to them because these men out here are just out to make them or ukubafaka esithembini, guys. So please warn them because they were rafla ngaphandle. Anyway, guys, please tell me what do you think about this episode. Please do like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.